today's plan is to finish off some of my office work, and then I'm heading to Anupirya's place for lunch because she's cooking me a special meal. And then we are heading to Dastakar exhibition where usually Indian handicrafts are showcased. So yeah, that's the plan so far, and let's see how it turns out. At Anupriya's place because I'd invited myself to eat some good food because I was craving for luchi, aloo dum and kosha, and she's in the process of cooking it and I can't wait to eat it. Then we have plans of going where? The Star in Jai Mahal Palace, and yeah, that is what it's going to look like today. So that's the half-eaten plate. Luchi, mirchi achar, and it's like something on the dog. Yay! So I just got from Dastakar. Unfortunately, we'd recorded a lot of video, but it doesn't look like I can use them. So I'm redoing this again. I'll just show you what I got. I didn't spend much because I already had what they were selling at the exhibition. So yeah, the first thing is a coffee mug. You can never have like enough of these. I mean, look at this. These have like, hand painted. Isn't this pretty? It's going to go to my colorful jar. Yes. This thing. It's a nazar na lage wala thingy. It's basically that Nimbu Mirch wala necklace. So it was a keychain which Anupriya bargained with the seller and made sure he turns this into a neck piece. So yay, I got a statement neck piece done, which is like super cool and trendy. Yeah, I can't wait to like style these. Yeah, that is it. So you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe. So till then, bye.